Okay guys, what a 24 hours this has been. Why? Well, I'm going to give a little salute to Lee. He was talking in the Discord about props being passed in 24 hours. Now personally I think that is, well, how shall I put this? Foolhardy, shall we say. So what are you looking at this moment in time? A fucking fool. Because I did it. I did it, and I did it for you guys. Now, I'm going to show you a story of like 2 accounts. Might actually do it with 3. Give us just a second while I'll do this and then I'll just pause it and I'll log the other one in. This is the one that you saw me pass earlier this week. This one, it stats 231 trades. 215 in profit, 93% hit rate, but I kept my position sizes really small, okay? Because I think that's the way forward. You trade small in relation to the account, and that way you don't get yourself into too much trouble, or if you're in trouble, you've got enough time to breathe to get out of it, okay? Now, if we come down, and we'll see the stats as they are, just so you can kind of see the statement behind it. It started all the way back here, okay? So let us get this back. So there we are. So the first trade was here, 7th of July. And if I just sort of flick up and then sort of skip through to the first page, flick that through, all the way through to a passing on the 28th. So it took it 21 days. It took me about 3 weeks to get this equity curve. And as you can see, it's pretty darn good. Now, as I was talking with the guys and one thing and another, and there is a lot of challenges about doing it 24 hours, I just thought, do you know something? Why not? Let's have a little go at it, shall we? Well, that's just passed this morning. And I started it yesterday. I'll show you the statement as well in just a second. With 83 trades, 73 of them won, 87% hit rate. We might as well say 88%. But I increased the position size. I over leveraged this. And I can tell you without shadow of a doubt, the amount of stress I've been on over the last 24 hours is massive. And I was kind of, it's self-imposed because I wanted to do it for you. But I also needed to follow my plan and follow my plan and follow my plan. So as I come down through this, one of my mantras is never overtrade. And I broke every single rule that I hold dear to do this. Okay? So there we go. So we started it yesterday. So we started it, well, this is 2 o'clock, so it's actually midday that it started. Okay, went all the way through. And if I run it all the way to the top, and it's just ended here. Okay, 11:30 my time. So I got it just on the wire underneath the 24 hours. And it's got a lovely equity curve. So what's the moral of the story here? Well, the moral of the story is, can I sustain what I did there in 24 hours? No, I can't. In fact, if anything, it was stupid. But I just kind of wanted to see if I could do it. I followed the same plan I always do, which is GoldenEye. I kept it limited to pretty much a tight basket. Now, the market that was operating the most was USJPY. And I'm also going to give a little salute to Darren because it was after the meeting I had with him. We were doing the DAX. And I already had that analysed, so I did a bit of DAX as well. It was difficult. It was really hard. Now, let me just pause the camera a second because I want to log into something and show you something else. Okay. So I've logged into this. What I want to show you for some of the guys who's been following this is what's called a cash builder. Now let me just pull this up, and what you'll see is it's predominantly done before 8 o'clock. Sometimes it does run over, and it runs for quite a few hours, sort of like up here where there was sort of no trades going on at all. Took us ages to get into the trade, but it's basically 30 working days. Don't work the weekends on this. And I started it with a micro account, and the idea is to show you how you can build up over time just by compounding. Now, start with 100, we're at 157.95, so that growth is phenomenal. There's not a bank in the land would pay me this, okay? But it's a wonderful exercise because it's all done early morning, okay? Now, if I just pop this back onto here and I drop into this bit, okay, I just want to show you something. Now, you'd have noticed it started 16th of June. So if I just flick that back. There we go. Okay. Right. What we've got is 102 trades, 98 winners, 96% win rate. So what I wanted to show you with that was when I'm looking at that prop account and I'm looking at these little accounts, I follow the same processes over and over, constantly. And the ones where I'm taking my time, just looking for singular trades, watching what I'm doing, the win rates and the ratios are roughly the same. But on the 24 hours, when I was going at it like a machine gun and really pushing out the boundaries of what I should be doing, that win rate came right down, but also my profit factor came down with it. So it looks great. It really does look great. But in reality, it's fucking terrible. Would I do it again? No. Have I got rewarded for it? Yes. And on Monday, when the funded account, I'll start again, because obviously it's a weekend today. I'm going to stop trading now for the weekend. I'll go back to this. And what that'll do for me is it'll help me build up more into the Vanguard, because that's what I've done. When I've been building these small accounts up, you build it up, you buy your prop fund, and then you use the prop fund money to go into the Vanguard, and the Vanguard will then look after itself. And that's, I tried hard to push it into a milestone today, and I dropped a clanger on it because I actually bought this fund, and if I hadn't, I'd have hit the milestone. And I'll show you, and I'll show, because if you've been tracking it, then you'll see exactly how much has gone into this, because you'll be able to go back sort of few weeks and see where it was to where it is today. And this is my main account. It's where I put my money, and it's where, if I need liquid money for my trading funds, where that money comes from. Okay, so bear with me. I shall just log in badly, because obviously I don't want to show you my my passwords, etc. But there you go. I wanted to hit 130,000. The prop fund cost $260. If I hadn't have took it, I would have hit my milestone. But on the flip side, I passed the challenge, and I've now can use those profits to accelerate that even further. There you go, guys. This video is really just to inspire the squad guys, because we talk about it all the time, and I kind of put my money where my mouth is. I'll tell them what I'm doing before I'm doing it, on sort of with the test tracker. But when it comes to things like this, it's third party. No one can take that away from me. Job's done. So be inspired, but don't try and pass it too quickly. I know I did it, but I don't condone it. Look at the first one that took 3 weeks to a month, that's where your money's made. Catch you soon, guys.